but you just can't beat the ride of a heavier fiberglass boat. My name's Anthony Greed, and in December 2022 I purchased a 565 Edencraft. My background is Navy and Defence Force for 10 years, and then I progressed into driving a charter boat, and for 3 years as a skipper. And from there I got back into the marine industry as a service dealer and a mobile mechanic for some time, and then kicked off my own business about 10 years ago now. We're a Mercury dealer based in Nowra, New South Wales, and we run a couple of dealerships of aluminium boats, predominantly tinnies for the estuary and the area that I'm in. I suppose for me it's always been a long-term dream to look at a boat like an Edencraft, something I never thought I would buy. It pushed the limits of what I could afford, but I spent a lot of time, a lot of experience researching vessels and different boats, different brands. I was impressed at the build quality of the Edencraft. Having previously fished off some 6 metre offshores and having a look at a 565, which I got an opportunity to go out on that boat, which I believe was one of the original 565s. And it sort of made up my mind from there. Just the ride and the capability of that boat. It shoots above its weight. It's a pocket rocket. It just does everything I want it to do, but it's manageable for a single person to run out for the day, catch a few snapper. It was a big decision. It was probably the second biggest decision I'd made since buying a house. A little bit nerve-wracking, but the people involved at Edencraft with Josie and everyone else was just amazing. I deal with a lot of suppliers and a lot of people in the industry, and the professionalism and the care they take to double check things and make sure all the things that you'd wish for and want for in a boat are catered for is the best I've dealt with. So it's been pleasurable. The boat's amazing. It's done everything that I want it to do. So it's a bit of a dream, and the reality's here. You know, like even just the social atmosphere of the Edencraft family is so welcoming, and it's a network, and I enjoy every minute of it. So it's been one of the best things I've done in my life to date, and with a lot of experience in the marine industry, it wasn't a decision I made lightly. So there was a lot of thought went into it, and a lot of research, and the information was there. And it stacks up. It does what it should do. It handles safely. And it's an extremely capable boat. My boat, Thunderstruck, is everything I wanted. Oh, Thunderstruck. When I was running a charter boat, I had a really old professional fisherman that worked as a deckhand with me, and we used to joke around early mornings at Huskinson and travelling up the creek to go and pick up customers, and we'd be blaring the music at 5 o'clock in the morning, which a lot of people didn't like in the houses that were on the river. And I said to him one day, if I ever get a really good fiberglass boat, and even then, I said it back then, an Edencraft, I want to call the boat Thunderstruck. And it just fits. I love it. We get the music pumping, we enjoy our days out there and make the most of it. The challenges in making that decision is, what you want to use the boat for. I had custom plate aluminium boats. The boat I had custom made was quite capable, very easy to use. But you just can't beat the ride of a heavier fiberglass boat. I'm getting a bit older. I spent a lot of years fishing out of light tinnies and bashed around and did this and did that. I'd been out with mates that had Edencrafts previously, and just the ride's unbelievable. You can't beat that.